Hi, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Girls World. So we just had turkey dinner, and so I have some turkey leftovers, and I'm gonna make turkey soup. So if you would like to watch me make turkey soup, please keep watching.
Okay, so I'm just gonna start out by cutting up carrots, celery, an onion, and some garlic. So I have about 3 to 4 carrots, 2 to 3 celery, and 1 large onion, about 6 cloves of garlic. So here's the thing with my turkey soup is I let us eat leftovers for like 2 days, and then I make turkey soup out of the rest of it. So I'd use my mashed potatoes, my gravy, my green bean casserole, whatever we have leftover is what I use. And I make a stock with the carcass like right after we eat the turkey. So I have the stock already made, and it is the best soup you will ever have in your life. So I'm using some kale for my greens, but you could use your green bean casserole, asparagus, spinach, anything you'd like. So now I've got all my stuff together and I am going to start cooking. So first thing I do is put butter in the bottom of the pan and saute the onion and garlic, then add the carrot and celery. And stir that in for a couple minutes. Add about a tablespoon of salt and my turkey stock. And then I'm going to cook this until the carrots are tender. Then I'm going to add my gravy, my potatoes, mashed potatoes, you can cut up sweet potatoes, green bean casserole, my kale. And then you just cook it until your vegetables are tender, and then add your meat. And it's nice and creamy and thick and delicious.
Okay, we're all done with our turkey soup. It is a really great way to use up all your turkey dinner leftovers. So give this recipe a try. I know you're gonna love it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.